Hey guys, Tuesday, September 10th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow has done today. So far, the Black Widow has gone back up to at least 225-ish, which is a key level that I've been watching. PPS buy signal. So in theory, on the weekly chart, you wait for a pullback, get in, and typically it would go higher. So that's the setup and signal on the weekly. On the daily, we've never got to kiss 208, which is your midpoint for the daily chart, or actually the monthly pivots. And we're above the moving average, kind of having a tough time here with this moving average. But still trending higher on the daily, and on the weekly, we've got a white weekly candle. So the trend is kind of like it wants to go higher, but kind of there right now, but the indicators sort. But the key is, where are we going to close this week? I've been saying we need to close above 230 in order to get everybody on board that we're going to go higher and possibly test 315. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we got this gap. If it's going to fill this gap, it needs to at least get to 226. We got 3 gaps. We got one here, and the other 2 I showed you in the my weekly video. If you haven't watched it. So far, it gapped down. We battled it here, failed at 218, came down, found support to 25%, which is the you could say the 213. It went as low as 212, and then got this nice bull kicker and went all the way to the 25%, which is 224. And we're dabbling around 225. So if it wants to fill the gap or hit this target, it would be 226 gap fill right here. We're about to start the US session, and mobos are positive. On the hourly chart, using our daily pivots, you're above your midpoint, which is 219. So that's good. What we don't want to see now is that in the US session, we start retracing down. And then this was, a head fake or a dead cat bounce and then go down. Now we want to see us hold, even if it retraces, we at least want to hold 219, 218, 219. And push higher, fill gap, 226, 227, and even extreme target for today would be 230. So 230 is always going to ring a bell. You know why? Because that's our high. And this is where we need to close above for this week in order for the bulls to really be like, okay, things are changing. But if we can't close above 230, we're going to still be in chop fest. Chop fest is sideways, head fakes, and all that kind of, stuff that I hate. So I like it when it trends. But in order for us to trend, I say it again, you need to have a close. And if you're conservative, you want to see the weekly close above 230. As long as, because if we close above 230 and it's Wednesday and you got EIA report, you never know what's going to happen. Maybe they'll slam it right back down again. But by Friday, if we're above 230 and we start next week and we are above 230, that's the key. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.